2001 GMC Yukon, 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it was single into regular duals over there, and we true dualed it. 2 1/4 all the way back. And then we continued it into his own tailpipes that he had before, into 5-inch tips, or actually 4-inch tips, sorry. Straight cuts right there and right there. True dual, no Y pipe, nothing. No X pipe or anything either. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you like it. Again. We got something new for you guys, a new decibel meter. Go ahead. Register about 113, probably even 120. Again. All right. Go ahead and back it out. Dropped it down and looked at it. We said those 4-inch tips were too small. So we went bam with 6-inch tips. They look better, right? Right. Everybody agrees. 6-inch is the way to go. That's hard. So let's see how she sounds now with 6-inch tips. Start that motor. It made a huge difference. It brought it up to 120. Back it out though. It's so loud. Too loud. I like it. It made a difference. That's hard, bro. So they're really happy now.